I wanted to show you a new feature here in AutoTools that when you use the AutoTools regex action, you now have a new option to authenticate. So if you want to get some info from a site where you need to be authenticated in, for example, I want to get the order history from my Amazon.com.co.uk page, but I can't do that normally because I need to enter my username and password. So I just press this here, and it will ask me for my username and password, and then you'll be able to see the list here. So if I go back and then use this handy regex here, now I can get my order list here. And in this case, I created an AutoTools dialog with it. So I can do whatever I want with this list. I've tested this for several sites and it seems to work well. So just try it out with your sites, with your websites, and tell me if it works. But it should work for most sites. Okay, I just wanted to show you a small demo I made using the new AutoTools gesture screen. It's a Spotify player that you can control with your gestures. So, for example, you can see here that you can tap with 3 fingers to play or with 4 fingers to voice play. What that means is, if you tap with 3 fingers, you get to write down what you want to play. For example, Paramore. It queues up the tracks and starts playing. I can also do a voice command to start playing some songs. So if I tap with 4 fingers, Sublime, a voice prompt comes up and I can say whatever I want to play. Now I can control the playing song in various ways. If I light tap the screen, it will pause. And if I tap it again, it will play. I can change the volume. I can turn the volume up or the volume down. I can seek forward. Let me turn the volume up so you can listen. I can seek a bit forward with a light swipe on the screen. If I swipe a bit more, it will seek 30 seconds. If I swipe to the left, it will do the same thing backwards. So seek back and seek it back a little bit more. Here. See? I can also skip to the next track if I do a hard swipe to the right. Let me show you this. See? With a little more force on the screen, we'll go to the next track instead of seeking. As you can see, the images here, let me turn the volume down. The images here disappear after a few seconds, so this little controller here disappears after 1 second, and the top image disappears after 5 seconds. This is something I configured on the screen. 1 second, 5 seconds. And as you saw before, the screen supports force touch, so if I tap on the screen, it pauses, right? But if I force touch on the screen, it stops it completely. I'll do that in a bit. I just want to tell you this screen now is totally black. So if this is an AMOLED screen like the Nexus 6 here, it'll be great for car trips, for example, where the screen isn't taking up any battery because it's totally black. Only when you touch it, it will show something. So as I was saying before, if you force touch the screen now, it will totally stop the app.